You guys won't believe what I got to do to snake out this drain. Let's go in and I'll show you. Okay, so we're in a closet right now. On the other side of this wall is the condo's laundry. The stacks come into here. I gotta open up this wall and cut the vent, snake it down, and coupling everything back together. Crazy. Let's get this done. Using our Sawzall. This is an empty condo. When we're done with this, they're going to put an access panel in here so it's nice and easy to access it next time. Alright, so this pipe down there is coming from next door. This is the vent. The drain for this laundry room is right back here, coming through this wall right there. And then they tie in right there. We are going to be cutting this pipe right here, snaking down, getting everything going, and Bob's your uncle. Or as Bruce from Drain Cleaning Australia says, Bob's your brother's mother, mother's brother. He's calling your mother's brother a monkey. All right, so that's part one. That's two cuts. So we're going to be snaking down here. This is the vent, like I said, and it's going to get everything cleared up. I don't know the best place to put you guys. Give me a minute. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alright guys, here goes. So that was 15 feet. Each cable is 7.5 feet. I have 2 cables hooked up at a time. Seems like we may have hit a blockage there, right around 20 feet, 21 feet down. No, it would be about 23 feet. So this is 30 feet. We're gonna put in another set. So I seem to be hitting a few little blockages, but that could just be the change of directions as well in the pipe. I'm gonna put in another 15 feet, that'll be 60 feet, and then I'm gonna go turn the water on. So, see that? I didn't check to see if they were connected properly. I could have just lost 45 feet of cable down the drain. There you go, I can see the pin. I need to be more careful when doing this. I could have caused a lot of damage if we didn't find this cable and it would have backed up. Same thing with the video not too long ago where the guy dropped his cable. I need to be more careful. So I'm ready to turn the water on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my pin in there, and it's inside the cable hole. You guys probably can't see that, but it's inside the cable hole, so it's not going nowhere. I'm gonna go turn the water on, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Could you guys hear that water? Pardon me. Could you guys hear that water? Okay, let's pull this cable out. So remember, we got 60 feet in there. So what's that mean? 60 feet has to come out. This is cold water. I gotta go turn on the hot water. The valves were clearly reversed. All right. I like using hot water, especially in laundry drains. Everything's gonna come out black, but with the hot water, it cleans the cables. Alright guys, that's 15 feet out, 45 to go. Let's keep rocking on. Alright, that's 30 feet. We got 30 more to go. That's 45 feet. This is our last set of cables right here. Might even be able to pull them up by hand. Oh yeah, for sure. So, I don't know if you can see this. This is a wet wipe. So that means either one of two things. It went down the laundry, which doesn't make sense, or we made it to the main line where everything connects, the toilet lines, the kitchen lines, everything like that, and I pulled it back from the main drain. Awesome. Wonder why? Because everything is awesome. Where's that from? Maybe you guys can tell me. Everything is awesome. All right. So, this is 1¼ inch pipe. We're using 1¼ inch couplings. It's only a vent, and just so you guys remember, they are going to be putting an access panel in here. So these can be behind a wall if there's access to it. They're not supposed to be behind an enclosed wall. there you go. I'm thinking I'm going to talk to the management and see if they will approve to put a clean out in here, and then everything will be a lot easier next time. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Taragna.